Hello and welcome back. This is Will England with the Sprint Product Ambassadors. Today we've got something interesting, the Moto Z3 Play. It's a little lower spec version of their Z3 Force and their Z2 Force, but it comes with a lot of the goodies that Motorola's been known for. We're going to take a look at this Lenovo-made phone today, unbox it, see what it comes with. We've taken the liberty of already cutting the tape, and the nicest part about the Moto Z3 Play, it's compatible with MotoMods, everything from batteries to speakers to projectors, even a Hasselblad 10x zoom camera. We'll check that out more later. But first, what comes in the box? We slide the box open. Hello, Moto, as you hear every time it boots up. Underneath that, we have a typical black slab of phone. Let's take a look at this. Alright, it has nicely labeled iconography on the plastic that you take off. Here's your back button, center button, square button. Fingerprint sensor's been moved. It's not down here like some of the older phones or on the back. We'll look at the back in just a moment. You have your volume up and down, and your power key is on the opposite side of most every other phone you've used. It's on the left side, power and lock. Up top we have your SIM card tray, if that'll catch focus, and memory card tray. We'll look at that in a future video. On the bottom there's one port. If you catch focus there, you'll see it's a USB-C port. It does not come with a headphone jack. Additionally, in the box you have your standard charger here, wall wart style, and it does support some level of quick charge. 12 volts at 1.2 amps, so a very short period of charge will give you a very long battery life, so that's very nice to have. It's a supercharger. They come with a USB Type-C cable to charge the phone, and a nice accessory. Still have some wired headphones around you like to use for 3.5mm jack. Well, we have a USB-C to wired headphone with a little tag so you can keep it attached to your headphone wire. So all you have to do is leave your headphones plugged into the adapter and plug the adapter into the phone. So that's what comes basically in the box, besides your health and safety warnings in this envelope and your mandatory SIM card removal tool. Alright. The fingerprint sensor, if you're a lefty, would be easy to hold with your index or middle finger for rapid unlocking of the phone. Power, fingerprint, bam, done. Hope that didn't just power it up. If you're a right-handed user, if you hold it in your right hand, then you would easily be able to thumb the fingerprint sensor, no problems at all. Be great when you have it in the car in a mount. You're not trying to reach behind it and tap the fingerprint sensor to get it to light up while you're stuck at a stoplight. You can just easily tap the fingerprint sensor. I'd suggest putting both your right and left fingers into the fingerprint sensor if you're going to do that. Around the back, up at the top, we have a dual camera setup with dual LED flash for color correction. If you can see that, one of the flashes is slightly redder than the other, so it can hopefully correct some color cast problems. Now we'll look down at the bottom and you see the key feature, the gold dots. That allows you to connect MotoMods to the device, anywhere from a 40-hour battery pack to a camera, to a projector, to several different versions of speakers. Alright, we're going to get this thing activated, and we'll take a look at it, how it activates, and what it looks like next. Thanks.